space, okay? Give him space.
Because he does this every single time.
Okay. What's happening?
So dumb. How do you offer the papers? You order it, you being stupid. Give me it. Like I just want him to tell me.
You are going to leave the mall.
Are you serious right now?
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Serious?
You hear me? Don't move.
You got my glasses. You got my glasses.
Fine.
You not okay now? You just a couple months.
We have cars meet at Dillard's North as we were escorting this female out.
You're not supposed to be recording.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you yelling
Stop!
at me?
Go back there like I just said.
Why are you yelling at me?
Go back there now.
I'll stop back. Store before he went to work. I've been asking this bitch forever to take me to the store. That's it.
So I'm trying to leave. She wants me to take her to Walmart. So that's the hood. She just did all this just now. The hood, kicked the side of it.
Stop!
Wait, stop. Oh, wait, stop. What? Ah, get away from me, bitch. I'll fucking your face
Don't
up.
touch the car.
For what now? Ah!
Put your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Ow! Don't hurt me, please. Don't fucking hurt me, bitch. Please, I don't want to bite you, oh motherfucker. Don't hurt me. Ah! No, I'm not. Liar.
Now you're getting more charges.
No, I'm not. I know. Once
Resisting arrest.
God bless you, sir. I love you.
Spit the grass out.
Why? I don't want to. Thank you. No, I want you to take it out.
That's it.